Hello, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will learn about Docker images. Docker images are lightweight, standalone, and executable packages that contain everything needed to run a piece of software, including code, runtime library, and dependencies. We already have learned how containers are different from virtual machine in my previous video, so we will skip discussing that part. Docker images are built using a layered file system. Each layer represents a specific file system change, such as adding, modifying, or removing files or directories. These layers are stacked on top of each other, with each layer building upon the previous one. When we pull or build the Docker images, we are essentially retrieving or creating these layers and stacking them together. We will learn more about layers when we will be learning creating Docker file. There are several benefits of this layered structure. First one is reusability. Layers allow for the use of common components across multiple images. For example, if two images share the same base operating system, in that case, that operating system layer can be reused in both the images, reducing redundancy and saving disk space. The second benefit of layered structure of Docker image is efficiency. Since Docker caches layers locally, subsequent build or push can be much faster. If the layer has not changed since the last build or pull, Docker can use the cached layer rather than downloading or rebuilding it, resulting faster deployment time and improved efficiency. Third benefit of using structured layer in Docker images is incremental update. Layers facilitate incremental update to the images. When the Docker file is modified, only the affected layer needs to be rebuilt rather than entire image. This reduces build time and faster iteration during development. Docker images are identified by unique image ID and can be tagged with custom labels for the easier management. We will see these image ID and tags concept in our later videos. In Docker, we can pull or push the images from Docker Hub. Let me show you how we can do that. But before we pull or push the images from Docker Hub, let us sign in our Docker Hub console. I will search Docker Hub login. This is the first URL where we need to log in. So you can see I already have logged in here. And this is the repo which I have created. Now navigate to our command line interface. I will open terminal. There is an image on Docker Hub called Hello World. Let us pull that image. The command is docker pull hello world. Hit enter. Since I have not provided any tag, so it is using the latest tag. Now it is pulling and it has pulled successfully. To check if image is pulled in our local system or not, we can use the command docker images. So we can see we have one image called hello world and it is the image ID. Latest is a tag and it says created 11th month ago. It means this image was created 11th month ago and pushed in the public repository of Docker Hub. Now let's say if we want to push this image in our repository. To push this hello world image, we need to tag it first with the repository name. Let me tag it quickly. My repo name. Let me tag it as hello underscore yt. Hit enter. Sorry, it threw an error. Okay, it says it requires 2 arguments. It's my bad, I forgot to provide the image name which I want to tag. So here image name is hello world. I will tag it as hello world now. So after tag I will mention image name hello world. Hit enter now. Now it is tagged. Again, if we see list of images, so we have 3 images now. This is the image which we have tagged just now. After tagging only we need to push it. So let me try to push it now. Probably it will throw an error. Docker push repo name tag. Now I am hitting enter. It says tag does not exist. Okay, I typed wrong repo name, so I will retype it. Nitish J. Enter. Okay, again it is throwing an error. Why? Because here our repo name is nitishj and we have tagged it as nitish. So let us retag this hello world image. Now I will check list of images. We have another image with tag Nitish J Kubernetes. Now let us try to push it. Docker push Nitish J hello yt. Hit enter. Now it is trying to push. Now it is saying access denied. Why? Because I am trying to push into my this repository which is on Docker Hub but without any credential. So we need to log in into Docker Hub first in CLI also. So let me log in quickly. Docker login. I will put my username, password. It is logging in now. We got prompt as login succeeded. Now I am trying to push it again. Okay, it is pushed now. Let us go to our Docker Hub console and check whether it is pushed or not. Go to this repository and here you can see hello yt. It means the image which was there in my local system, we have pushed it to Docker Hub. In this way, we can push or pull the images from Docker Hub. This is all about Docker images. I know some of the commands were new for you, but please bear with me. I assure you, you will get to know all these commands in my future videos. In next video, we will see how to run a container from Docker images. In addition to that, we will also learn how to start, stop or kill a container. We will also get to know how to log in into a running container. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will encourage you all to install Docker in your local system and get your hands dirty. This way, you will learn concepts quite faster and also enjoy the way of learning. We'll see you in another video. Till then, happy learning.